Okay, I'm going to show you how to take this top off real cleanly and put on a new top. This works real good. I've already unbolted the neck. Now I'm going to burn out the glue from under here. Then off clean so I can use this again. Nice and clean. Alright, now I'm going to take my router. I've installed a stop block to run along the side here. It's got to have 5/8 router bit in there, 1/16 of an inch high. Here we go. Take off the stop block. There we go. Okay, I got the top on. You can see the binding. I still got to do a lot of sanding on here to even it out, but it came out real fine. Then we'll re-lacquer it. In the meantime, here's what I do. It's kind of hard to get the proper intonation on these when you don't have any room to work with the neck. So what I came up with was I took an old Dobro tailpiece. I attached it. This will give me temporary, tell me where the intonation is going to be good. Alright, so I've got my strings on and it sounded great too. Anyway, so we got, here I got the E. Okay, open E. At the 12th fret, I want an E. Okay, I'm just a tiny bit sharp. So see, this whole thing will move. Okay. Oop. Okay, let's come back to right there. Perfect. A. Okay, let's do the same thing with this E. Okay, perfect. A. Perfect. E. Perfect. Actually, just a tiny bit sharp. Perfect. Man. Alright, now I can take this and eyeball over my string holes. You see I've got string holes already put in, pin holes. My saddle, this is a temporary saddle. So I'll mark these up and make sure I line up perfectly on each side of the string to the neck. And this is it. So double check. Perfect. Alright, now I've got two drill bits exactly the same size. I'm going to move this string over, take this down, tension of the string. Alright, so now I can stick this in there. Take this one off. That will hold it for when I glue it. So now I'm going to remove the strings. Save them for, since they're long, I can add them back on after I glue this down today. Alright, I'm ready to glue. That's how you get intonation on a guitar that you retopped. Real simple. Alright.